Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to center text across multiple cells in Excel. In Excel we can use the merge and center feature to merge and center the text across multiple columns, but after applying the operation the merged cells will become only one cell, and it has some disadvantages such as we can't sort or filter the data correctly. In this case the function center across selection can help us to center text across multiple columns and leave all cells in their places. Suppose you have the following data range and you want the heading to span the whole table. Select the cells that you want to center this text. Right click and choose Format Cells from the context menu. Then in the popping out Format Cells dialog, click the Alignment tab, and under Horizontal, choose Center Across Selection. Next, click the OK button to close the dialog, and your value in the cell has been centered across the selection, but all the cells are still in place. With this center across selection feature to center your data, it can keep the primary structure of your worksheet intact. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.